Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you to see who's logged into your Instagram account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on vital information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. And then from there, you want to click on your profile picture, bottom right hand corner of your page. And wait for this to load. And then you want to click on the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner. And then you want to click on settings and privacy, and then you want to click into your account center, and then scroll down, and where it says under account settings, click on password and security. So under security checks, you'll see a section called where you're logged in. Click into that and then click onto your account, and then from here this will give all the locations of where you're logged in. So for example, if I'm logged in America, I know someone's using my account over there, or if I'm logged in Sydney, etc, etc. And if you want to log out of devices here, I don't currently have any, but just simply click on the location and just log out of the account. And if you head back to this page here, you can set up login alerts, so in-app notifications and email. Manage how you like to be notified about unrecognized logins to your account. So if you click into that, I'll get notifications to my email address for unwanted logins. So you can set that up too. Or you can simply change your password by clicking here, and then just change your password. If you got issues with other people that might know your password and might log into your Instagram account, you can change it here too. Alright, that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.